Hey guys, I'm Samika and today let's take some spooky Halloween portraits. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Samika. And today we're gonna click some scary and dark portraits because Halloween is just around the corner. Better get started fast because the ghost in my house will get a little angry. And it's gonna be a lot of fun, a lot of work too. But let's get started.
For my setup, I have taped a black dupatta on my door using some sellotape. That will be my background. I will sit on this stool in front of my background. For the light, I am using an 80 cm octagon softbox that is placed at my eye level at a 45-degree angle to my right. First, I will set my exposure in the camera such that I get no ambient light at all, meaning my image should be completely black, so that only the softbox light will light me and no ambient light will be there in my image at all. I will sit there and use a pumpkin toy and place it in front of my face for my spooky portrait. Focus with my remote, press it when I am ready. Next shot, I will take a dupatta and use it as a blindfold. And click. Next, use the same dupatta, drape it like so, and make a screaming expression. I've taken my flash out and I've placed a small diffuser there. You may use it without a diffuser too. And I'll simply place it below my face. Smile, no, make a menacing face. I've done some horrible makeup to my eye and I will take a torch and just direct the torchlight to my eye underexposed to just reveal the light. Next setup, I will use my natural window light. With my camera on a tripod, I will sit here and make an expression as though I'm waiting. What is so spooky about this, you will wonder? Well, I will tell you in a bit. I will also click a portrait of just the window without moving the camera. Then bring these two images in Photoshop. Place them over each other. See that they have the same orientation. For that, I will reduce the opacity to 50% or so and see that the image positions match. And when they do, I crop it a bit. And now I'll just reduce the opacity of my image, that is where I am visible. So I look like a ghost. So cool. I can also make the saturation a little less and add a slight bluish tone to my image. Add a vignette and woo, this looks so like a spooky ghost is staring at my window. Now I will shoot against these curtains that are in front of my windows. Just click a normal portrait with a serious expression. Then one with my hand outstretched. And one photo with just the background. Now again I have 3 images in Photoshop. One of just the curtains, one me making a spooky face, and one with my hand outstretched. So I'll take this spooky expression portrait and I'll very carefully with the pen tool cut out my face's shape. If my background would have been plain, then I would be able to cut it faster. And once I've cut it, I'll place it here on my outstretched hand. Woo! Just mask these parts out a bit, brush them out a bit. Now I'll take the plain curtain background image and I'll place it on this image. And again match the orientation by reducing the opacity. And once I've done that, I'll place this image below the outstretched hand portrait. I'll take this outstretched hand portrait and just erase out my face. Whoa. A little masking here and there. Little color adjustments here and there so that the curtains, the outstretched hand and my face, all three images look of the same tone. That's it, I'm done. Spooky headless portrait. Now I will use a flash attached to with a grid and ball diffuser. Again placed at eye level at a 45-degree angle to my right. I will use my pumpkin prop again and take a photo of me holding it. For the next photo, I will place the flash at a 90-degree angle from my face at eye level. I have inserted a green color gel inside my ball diffuser. You may use any color gel of your choice. In the same setup, I will go for a close-up, wet my eyes to show that I'm crying and click. I have used a red color gel here.
So guys, I hope I inspired you to click some Halloween portraits of your own. And portrait photography is quite fun. It's not scary the way I thought it would be. I've always been doing nature and street photography, but one difference that I can find in nature photography or street photography and portrait photography is that in nature photography I cannot ask the mountain to move a little bit to the left or shrink a little bit. But in portrait photography, I can go wild with my creativity. I can try new props, new setups, which I really like. And I hope you like my video. In case you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which portrait photography tutorials you wanna watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. There is my previous portrait video. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.